Hello and welcome to Practice MCQs. In this video, I will present MCQs based on Introduction to Business Economics or Introduction to Microeconomics. The MCQs are important for FYBCom and Special Economics students. These MCQs are also important for students preparing for CA Foundation examination. So let's begin. Question number 1. The use of economic modes of thought to analyze business situation is. Options are business economics, applied economics, normative economics, positive economics. The right option is business economics. The use of economic modes of thought to analyze business situation is business economics. Question number 2. Microeconomics is a study of. Options are industries, government institutions, aggregates, individuals, and group of individuals. The right answer is D. Individuals and group of individuals. Microeconomics is a study of individuals and group of individuals. Question number 3. The term microeconomics is derived from the Greek word micros, meaning. Options are large, small, aggregate, total. The right option is B. The term microeconomics is derived from the Greek word micros, meaning small. Question number 4. The 3 basic economic problems. Options are what, how, and for whom. Why, where, and when. What, which, and how much. What, which, why. Option A is correct, that is what, how, and for whom. So the 3 basic economic problems: what, how, and for whom. Question number 5. A household is an individual or a group of individuals who live together to take decisions regarding consumption for the satisfaction of their wants. The right answer is A. The statement is true. Actually, this is a definition of a household. Next question. The scope of business economics do not cover. Options are demand forecasting, pricing decisions, investment decisions, dividend decision. The right option is D. Dividend decision. The scope of business economics do not cover dividend decisions. Question number 7. Economics is a science. The basis of this statement doesn't include. Options are relation between cause and effect, use of deductive method and inductive method for the formation of laws. C. Experiments. D. Theory. The right option is theory. Economics is a science. The basis of this statement doesn't include theory. Question number 8. A consumer is the purchaser who purchases goods and services for personal consumption and not for resale or further manufacturing. The statement is true. Option A is right. Actually, this is a definition of a consumer. Question number 9. Business economics is associated with. Options are mathematics, economics, statistics. Option D, all of the above. Option D is correct. Business economics is associated with mathematics, economics, and statistics. Question number 10. The father of economics is. Right answer is option B, that is Adam Smith. The father of economics is Adam Smith. Sales maximization concept was given by. Right option is A. Professor Baumol. Sales maximization concept was given by Professor Baumol. Question number 12. A firm is a manufacturing unit involves in production of goods and selling the products to households, governments, and other firms. Option A is correct. that is, the statement is true. Actually, this is a definition of a firm. Economic laws. Options are show economic behavior of people must be followed, are hated by people, are unscientific. Option A is correct, that is A, show economic behavior of people. Economic laws show economic behavior of people. Question number 14, an industry is. Option B is correct, group of firms producing similar products. Other options, group of firms in one area, a firm producing various goods, a firm producing only one good, are wrong. So an industry is a group of firms producing similar products. Question number 15, economics is a dash dash science which deals with human wants and their satisfaction. Options are political, social, natural, physical. The right option is social. Option B. So economics is a social science which deals with human wants and their satisfaction. Question number 16. Following are the economic goals of the firm except. Options are profit maximization, shareholders' wealth maximization, utility maximization, and the political power prestige. Option D is right option, that is political power prestige is not a goal of the firm. The second name of microeconomics is. Option A is correct, that is price theory. The second name of microeconomics is price theory. Business economics study most of the problems that a manager or dash dash faces in their day-to-day functioning. Options are family, country, firm or company, home. The right option is C, that is firm or company. Business economics study most of the problems that a manager or a firm faces in their day-to-day functioning. What is the basis of microeconomics? Options are price mechanism, aggregate demand, macroeconomics, national income. Option A is correct, price mechanism. Price mechanism is the basis of microeconomics. Next question, micro and macro approaches are. Options are competitive, alternative, substitutes, complementary. Option D is correct, that is complementary. Micro and macro approaches are complementary. Question number 21. Following are the non-economic goal of the firm except political power, prestige, social responsibility and welfare, goodwill of employees, long run survival goal. Option D is correct. A truck of mango is an example of. Options are demand, supply, macroeconomics, microeconomics. Option D is correct, microeconomics. Actually, it is a truck of mango, a truck, and that is why it is a microeconomic concept. Question number 23. The subject matter of economics is. Option C is correct, to satisfy unlimited wants with limited means. The subject matter of economics is to satisfy unlimited wants with limited means. Question number 24. Which of the following is not included in the scope of microeconomics? Options are theory of consumers' behavior, theory of cost, production and pricing, market structure, and D option is theory of output, employment and income. So option D is correct because ABC are microeconomic scope and option D is actually macroeconomic scope. Next question. Traditional goal of a firm is. Options are shareholders' wealth maximization, profit maximization, growth of the firm, long run survival. Always, firm's most important goal is profit maximization. So option B is correct, that is profit maximization. Profit maximization is most important goal of the firm. Next question, which one is not the economic goal of the firm? Shareholders wealth maximization, management reward maximization, goodwill of employee, long run survival. So option C is correct, that is goodwill of employee. Question number 27. Graph represents functional relationship in dash dash form. The right answer is geometrical. Graph represents functional relationship in geometrical form. Which of the following is not a tool of economic analysis? Functional relationship, graph, equation, calculator. The right option is D, that is calculator. Calculator is not a tool of economic analysis. The graph is divided into dash dash parts. Each part is called dash dash. The right option is D. The graph is divided into 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. Thank you very much. Happy learning.